Question 29 of Unit 1 of Advanced Functions, Characteristics of Functions. It says for f of x equals to 3 times x minus 2 whole square plus 5, where x is greater than equal to 2, equation of f inverse x is which one of these four? Have a close look at it and think how you will get the answer. One way, of course, is that you can sketch it, right? So let me make a sketch. 1. Are these correct? They're almost correct, similar to it. If we read it in the reverse order, see, I'll show you how to find inverse reading the function in reverse order. So it says 3 times something square plus something, right? So when we read from here, instead of plus, we'll do the reverse operation, which is minus. So we say x minus 5 divide by 3 square root, and whenever you do square root, you do plus and minus, and then you take away or you add plus 2, right? Let's do it again. So you'll have in your input x, you will do minus 5, then you divide by 3, and then you square root, and then you add 2. Normally, whenever you do square root, you do plus and minus. But here, there's something different. What is it? It is that they have restricted the domain to only x greater than equal to 2. Perfect? Well, if you see the domain and range of this given function, domain they have restricted to x greater than equal to 2, and the range is y greater than equal to 5. So when you find inverse, domain and range will change, right? So here you know y is greater than equal to 5. Is it okay? Now, when you find inverse, then domain and range flip. So x should be greater than equal to 5. So as far as that is concerned, these are correct and this is incorrect. Now, as far as the sign is concerned, because you're only considering when x is greater than equal to 2. So let's try to sketch and understand it more. The vertex is at 2, 5, correct? So let's say this is our function. Let's say we just make a rough sketch. Now here we are given the domain of this function as in this direction, correct? So that means we are only considering this half of the function. We are not considering that half of the function. Do you understand? We are not considering that half of the function. So out this inverse will be actually kind of like this, okay? Let me just draw approximately like this. So this is this part, and the other part which is inverse of this red portion not considered is minus. So this one is with the positive sign of square root, and this one is with the negative sign of square root. Since we have restricted the domain to x greater than equal to 2, we are considering only the right half of our parabola. Therefore, in the inverse, we will also consider only the upper half of our function, okay? Upper half means plus. Do you see that? So this one is the one with plus, and that is the right answer. So our choice is A, okay? I hope the concept of finding inverse is clear to you. This type of questions could have been asked in a different way also, where we could restrict in the other direction. Then this would have been the answer with minus. But in either case, if we restrict the domain, then plus and minus is not the option, okay? Thank you.